What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Back in East LA. I haven't been out here in, I don't know. Have I even been out here this year? I don't know. Let's go see what's up. Alright, they do be tripping at this store, so we'll see how much footage I can get. Let's go. Alright, 30% off the back wall. They seem to get a lot more refurbished stuff here than Watts. So yeah, let's see if we can find some steals. Do got a bunch of these in different sizes. 225 DJ Khaled's. DJ Khaled Jordan 5s. They got 10.5. They got smaller sizes, 9, 8.5. 225. At least you get the 30 off on the back wall. I guess it's 40, size 8.5. But for 96, it is like new. Pegasus Next Nature 9.5. Go for 75 bucks. Slightly imperfect though, so make sure you guys look over these very carefully. Luca 2, size 9. $140 in a Jordan 1 box, really? Been looking for these. These are size 8 though. 210 for the Cardinal 7s. Dang it. 9.5s. They got these right here. The infrared whites. Go for 200. Got these bad boys. Go for 65. Slightly imperfect. Looking at as many refurbs as I can. Size 11, $70 for the Nike Dunk High 85s. Yikes. Are these slightly imperfect? Oh, they look legit. Gently worn, $70. You do get an extra 30% off. That is one thing that you don't get online. You don't get that 30% when you go to the Nike Refurbished website. I hope you guys saw that video. That was a hell of an interesting video. Got these in a size 10, but they don't have the Cardinals, which is the one I'm looking for. Bastards. 30% off retail. Got AJKOs right here, size 10, $150. LeBrons going for $70 after discount. That's kind of crazy. Got a ton of Jordan 7s here. What's up with that? Afrobeat size 11 retail. Air Max Tunes refurbished. There's no way those are 210. 114. Jordan Legacy 312s. $145, size 11. Size 11.5. Yeah, we're finding all kinds of Jordan. Jordan 1 high. These are the white cement colorway, $180. We've been seeing these at Shoe Palace for what, $100? $170 here, more than Shoe Palace. More Nike by Use. These are an 11.5, and that red makes it awful. Why is that bottom like that maroon color? That's awful, dude. That's awful. I usually love the Nike by Use. Leather's just ridiculous. $130 though. That's terrible. Got Prestos in XL. I don't know what size that is. There's a sizing chart that you got to go by when you buy the Prestos. Once in a blue moon, they'll have actual sizes, but not these right here. $90 for the XL. Probably like size 11 to 14. I don't know. Size 14 Air Force One mids going for $84. That's like new. BTS 97s going for $38. Gently worn. Blazer Low Jumbos going for $60. These are size 13. Presto Nike by You. These ain't bad. Not bad. You see like some of that pink right there that spilled over. That's definitely interesting. Maybe that's why they got returned. Yeah, these are size 13. So it's gently worn, $83. Air Max 90s, I've seen these a ton, $65 for those. Size 13, got these going for $225. So Flighties, I've been looking for these in a size 12 or so. Oh, got a pinkish bottom. I don't know if that's coming out on camera. I don't know, maybe it's the lighting. I don't know, $63 for those. See what I got on feet. Dunk Highs. These are the Dunk High SBs from what, 2019, I think. All-star release from back then. I think it's a collab with Black Sheep for NBA release weekend. Charlotte Hornets. I feel like that was the worst explanation, but do got some Nike cargo shorts and a tank top. Check out a little bit of the aisles. Look, what are these? What are these? Chinese New Year? These Chinese New Year 37. Oh, these are the Rui Hachimuras? I thought he had another one. I don't know. I thought he had another one. Okay. Yeah, $150, not bad. Got 36s right here. Jumpman 2021s. Look at how cheap that is. Wow. Jordan 1 high fly ease. Some mids right here. Another one of those. Some low golf going for regular prices. The tumble leather one, like the leather's just so nice on this one. Dope. We got some acronyms right here. The Kai Blazers. Another one right here. The Flight 89s. This spot does have Nike refurbished clothing, stuff that's been returned and stuff like that. Who is this? Am I supposed to know who that is? Okay, they got a bunch of their jerseys refurbished 72. You get an extra 30 off on top. They got a bunch of this full jersey. Yep. Got some tech fleece right here, $84. That price is still pretty high, dude. 84 to get 30 off. This one's 60, a little better. Normally $500, really? Normally $500, go for 2 bills. Holy cow. This normally sells for 500 bucks? Really? And they got this for $250 and then you get another 30% off? Wow, wow, wow. Good tech fleece trench coat or something? Damn, only 5 bills, that is kind of crazy. $250 to get another 30% off, so that's what, $75 off. So $175, not too bad if you need a trench coat, I guess. Do see some ones right there. They got the one Palominos. I don't know if it's one or if it's multiple. I don't know. But yeah, they did tell me I can't film as usual. You know, they're okay with people stealing thousands of dollars worth of stuff, but you know, I can't take video. Whatever. All right, let's go. I'm gonna go next door. They do have a Foot Locker. Let's go see what's up there. Foot Locker right across the way. Let's go see what's up here. Most of the champs have been having Crocs on sale like crazy. They don't really have any sales here. What's up with that? Well, what's going on, Foot Locker? And then do have some socks right here going for $5 But what's up with the colors, man? Colors are kind of crazy. Normally 15 bucks. Yeah, the colors are just, come on now, colors are whack. Really, really. Oh, they do have more Crocs right there. Damn, no sales, damn. Got some Iversons going for $40. Oh, okay, I'm not a fan of that. It's like one color. Yes, oh man, that's just too much, $40 though, that is a hell of a price. Got Shaquille's right here. Is this a Shaq Attack 2s or something? Shaq Victories, my bad. Shaq Victories going for $130. Got these down to 70. I just grabbed these for what, 45, I think. But yeah, they do got them on sale. They're just going down on sale a little slower. But this one, I'm gonna wait a little longer, see if I can find this one a little cheaper. A lot of the Iversons have been sitting, which is pretty fire. And then dude got the Shaq Attack, OG Shaq Attack. Then got these Workout Plus, $20 for Workout Plus. Holy cow, this is decent material. It's like super soft, but it's like super thin. Look at that. I did fix that. Usually they have shoe trees in, don't they? Oh, yeah, okay. 20 bucks though, holy cow. And then they got these answers right here going for $110. Okay. Checking out the women's section. Do see some Jordan 1s on sale, pretty fire. The reverse laneys, normally $180 down to $150. Got dunks right there. Not really seen too. A lot of sales tags, but not really seen anything too spicy. What is going on here? 55 bucks. Holy cow, this is huge though. This is a size 13. Maybe a 14? Size 13 right here. Big Feet Gang. Getting some steals. $55. That is insane. And you get the full box and everything too. And we've been seeing these on sale. And then do got these right here. Okay, okay. Some Hirachis go for pretty cheap. Infinity Run Flyknits right there. Go for 70. And the Why Nots? Why Not 0.5s? Look at this. 50 bucks. $50. And then of course I did look at the 70% off right here. Mostly Foot Locker brand. Nothing too crazy. Got a Nike track jacket right here that is a small. That's normally $80. So what's that, 24 bucks? Not bad. But yeah, not much else. And they do have sales tables, like 40 bucks for these Crocs. That's not even that big of a deal. So yeah, I think that's about it, man. I think that's about it. MB2s for 80 on these sales tables. Yeah, we've been seeing these for 80 almost everywhere. So I think that's about it, dude. We're done. And that's pretty much why I don't hit up the Nike outlet East LA very often. They be tripping off of like the dumbest things. This place been hit hard by people stealing stuff, and you know, they don't really do anything about that, but they're worried about me taking video. Like, I don't really understand that. You know, one, stealing from them is not against the policy, but taking video is. I don't really understand. It is what it is. And not to even mention like half the people that are resellers, that type of stuff. And whatever, it is what it is. But yeah, that's pretty much about it. That's kind of why I haven't been here in forever. I think I want to say this is my first time here this year. I want to say that. I don't know. But yeah, I probably won't come back for a while. We'll see. I might come back later. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, that's pretty much about it. Make sure you guys help our boy out. Press that like button if you're new. Press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. I do drop tons and tons of videos. I'm gonna be out of town this upcoming weekend, and I'm still trying to get you guys videos every day. So got plenty coming. If you guys really want to support the channel, make sure you guys check out that membership program. Your boy does waste a ton of money on gas, stuff like that. So trying to see if you guys can help out. But yeah, make sure you guys help a boy out. If you can't subscribe, if you're not in the position to join the membership, it's all good. Make sure you guys press that like button. It is free. But yeah, got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace.